Hello everybody, I'm Rick and this is Skeletal Remains, Skeletal Restoration. You all see what's on the floor here. It's the old Christmas train. Old Christmas train is turning 99 this year.
Jesus.
My son Kevin's going to be operating it. He's standing by right here. Wave at him, Kev.
Hi everyone.
You didn't get your hand in front there.
Hi everybody.
Hey, there he is. And his two kids are here, Sean and Kaylee. Also known as Bruce sometimes.
Okay.
But anyway, we're gonna run the train around the track a couple of times just to say Merry Christmas. So let's go. Come on, old girl, you can do it.
Better on it straight away.
Hey, all right, bud. Good job.
All right.
You did good. Kevin's the next one to inherit this train. And then it gets passed on to Sean after that. So we got to keep it going, guys.
Yes, sir.
All right. Y'all ready?
Mm-hmm.
Merry Christmas!